Gejala Meghalaya kan sakhi ke jingwan tem berwai nongroi bapau nama ke pertai kata Bryan Adams hau no pra amtau snem la pentep menteri badi khmi kitna kam chok kai pertai ke sekolah jala ubak pol lingdo kani ke benta bala pentep du ubak pol ka dai ha ke jinge kran bagilat pertai kubor ka no pai singi pradring noilar cha apsau halo ke jingher ke kap chok kai pertai ha ka bol ong bagi don girunar persya emlang salang ki bonra kadur ke basniu ke jegala Meghalaya ha ka kam chok kai pertai long bagini gir komle kalau kata kecingan tuat kinongan cokok kai, henry community bakandon biang kecingkiu, dagi bon cokok kai ke jala Meghalaya hagi benai banwan. Alo kecing pengkrep bon tem Bryan Adams, laong bakiwei kita masa bang kentiu kam cokok kai kendon. Badu mentah hadu ispo car tiket la debdi kipajba kibakwa ban sengap badio i Bryan Adams.
It's unfortunate that this group of anti-social elements went ahead and did what they have done, damaging the reputation of Meghalaya in the eyes of the world. But I'm sure that we will bounce back very soon. As you're aware, major acts are on the anvil. The various tourism festivals will carry on as usual. Bryan Adams will be here performing in December. Alan Walker will be here performing in September. And already just a while back I got information that for the Bryan Adams show itself as many as 10,000 tickets have already been sold. So it's going to be a huge tourist season this year, and the government has not taken anything for granted. We have taken up the concerns of the NGOs on registration of migrant workers very seriously, and therefore there is no reason for anybody to take the law into their own hands.
Habatin pej bahaki kishap kashap plus F
ka plus F
hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata I ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki mar ba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya